Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over how to make desktop folders on your MacBook computer. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you guys have any questions, and if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. It's going to be somewhere in the middle of the screen. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. It's also down here at the bottom right hand corner, one of these corners, subscribe button. So hit that subscribe for all, I do a lot of tutorials, how-tos, technology guides. I'm going to speak for a second, all that good stuff. So today's video is going to be how to create desktop folders on your MacBook. It's actually pretty simple. These folders help you keep yourself organized, and you can put things in these folders, kind of like Windows has, their desktop, and you can make their folders. I'll link that video up in one of these corners, and check the cards up there on how to create folders on a Windows desktop. Today's video is going to be how to do it on a Mac desktop. So sign into your Mac, get comfortable. Make sure you're on your desktop. That's the golden rule right now. Get on your desktop, take your mouse, and right-click anywhere on your desktop. And click on New Folder. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You're done. No, you're halfway there. So what that did was it made a new folder. I'm just going to make another one. And now I have two folders. So we now have folders on our desktop. Now we don't want them to read untitled folder 2, because that's just silly. We want to name whatever we want to name them. So just right click on either folder and click on rename, and you can name the folders whatever you want. So I can name it stuff, maybe this one, I'll right click this one, click on rename, maybe I'll name this one media. I'll just do another one for you guys. Right click new folder, right click this folder, rename, and I can do maybe documents. Alright, so now we have our folders on our desktop and renamed. We can hold one of these folders down and drag them wherever we want to keep ourselves organized. You can put them on the left-hand side, you can put them on the right-hand side, you can make shapes, rows with them, whatever you guys want to do. But yeah, so that was just a quick video on how to create desktop folders for your Mac. Pretty simple. It's really not that hard. It's not rocket science. Just right click on your desktop, click on new folder. Your new folder right there. Right click that folder that you have highlighted and click on rename. And yeah, so that's it. That was just a quick video on how to create desktop folders for your Mac. Any questions, just let me know down in the comment section below. Just like this video. It was a quick one. It was an easy one. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Towards the end of this clip. Bye.